Knowing who your viewers are is a critical part of any video strategy. By combining the power of your marketing automation platform with the insights of video analytics, you can start turning video viewers into qualified leads. When a prospective customer registers for a webinar, clicks through from an email campaign, or even fills out an in-video form, Vidyard can then start to tell you which videos they've watched so you can understand which topics they're most interested in. With this video view data, you can automatically score or segment your leads, drop them into relevant nurture programs, and send targeted content that keeps them engaged. By connecting Vidyard to your marketing automation platform, you not only gain insights into who's watching your content, but can also automatically trigger the next steps that move those hard-earned leads through the funnel.